Hello everyone, today we are in the beautiful Downtown Clermont district. We're here today to check out a store called Comic Controllers featuring the pop culture soda shop. It is what I call a nerd store, so it sells stuff like Pokemon cards, like other collectible fandom stuff from video games, movies, whatever. And now the soda shop, it is a retro themed kind of like soda shop, like how they were back in the 50s and 60s. And you can actually get custom made drinks here for any fandom that you like. So I'm really excited about that part. Let's head on in, you guys. I love the designs for the sign. It's very vintage, sort of like aesthetics. I really like that. It says Comic Controllers in the Pop Culture Soda Shop. It's a very cute little store as well. Has all this right here. It says shopping, video game lounge, and desserts. And it has like different things that you can use, like sort of like nerdy themed hashtags and whatnot. All right, let's head inside. Some of the first things that I see here are these Pez dispensers on the wall. Has SpongeBob, Hello Kitty, fun collectible stuff. There's also different like sort of desserts here on the counter. They have like Hello Kitty wafer cookies. Some different, these are cute. It says right here, Extra Life Candy Company. They're different themed candies. Like they have Monster, which is based on Pokemon, Pineapples Under the Sea, which is SpongeBob, and Frog Hop, which is Frogger. They also have other like Nintendo themed Pez dispensers here. Some Pocky, and then Krabby Patty colors, like that famous episode of SpongeBob. There's also some plush toys they have here. SpongeBob, that's Stitch. They do have Stitch. And they also have Korra and Aang from Avatar. And somehow Baby Yoda's also here, and he has Kappa on his head. There's also some Pokemon cards right here. Mini portfolio has it can hold 60 cards, it says. Also a whole wall of Pokemon cards, which I very much appreciate. From Eli Trainer boxes to the simple sort of packet cards. Ring Pops, Peeps, even like a little Dragon Ball themed candy. Rubik's Cube, Birdie Bots beans. Oh, Litwix candles! Come here, Nan. Inspired by, it's inspired by Pokemon, these ones.
Oh,
it says
yeah,
Castella Cafe.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I am Alex.
Okay. How long have you guys been in business here in Clermont?
So we opened in a small booth about almost 2 years ago now. We were in a different spot. And then we moved over to this store just about a year ago. May will be a year. So we're approaching our year in this new space.
Oh, wow. Well, it's a beautiful shop. I'll show it now. Very
Thank you.
Classic and retro themed.
Thank you very much.
And now I heard something exciting. You guys do custom drinks here at the soda shop?
We do, yeah. So at Pop Culture Soda Shop, we do ice cream floats using craft soda. We primarily use Jones brand sodas, and they are all unique flavors. And by adding the ice cream and the whipped cream, we make them kind of pop culture themed. So we have things like a Barbie Dream Drink and the I Am Groot beer, based on obviously Barbie and Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yes, that one. You guys also have G Fuel in the fridge, I noticed.
We do. We do have a video game lounge, so we have to fuel up the gamers. We got the G Fuel.
G Fuel is common on sponsors and stuff for gaming. Well, could you do like an actual custom drink?
Absolutely, yeah. We can take any of our sodas with any of the ice creams that we have available, whipped cream toppings, however you want it. We could make it for you.
Could you do a Bloodborne themed one?
If you have some ideas for it, sure.
I was thinking dark soda with maybe some red.
Okay, I could do some like black soda with red sprinkles on top. Yeah,
that
for
sounds
sure.
Good.
Okay.
I think one of the best things that they offer here at Comic Controllers is all of the old video games. They have PlayStation titles right down here. Everything from The Walking Dead, Mass Effect, and even Uncharted and Call of Duty. Some more over here. NBA, Madden. They also have Wii's and Wii remotes here. I'm actually going to pick up a controller for my Wii. Also other accessories for PlayStation 5 controllers or Switch controllers. They also have a Wii U, which is a relic that I've not seen in a while. They also have a completely boxed Wii here as well, and some Wii U titles. Now this is the thing they kind of offer here at Comic Controllers. They do custom controllers here from like anything from Switch to PlayStation to Xbox. It has different prices right here and different designs they can do. I'm a big fan of this Halo one up in the corner. It says right here, custom order slips. Get from like anything from Joy-Con, Pro Controller, Switch Lite, PlayStation controllers from 5, 4s. I like how it shows you as well like the whole thing that they do and how much it costs. It's really pretty stuff. There's some stuff right here, like little accessories for the actual switches. They also have other little things right here. Has it pins, their own pins of their custom Joy-Con controllers. Also some other fandom stuff. I see Fortnite, Among Us, Avatar, and Pokemon. Some more stuff right here, like sticker packs and pins, which is very fun. They also have anime figures right down here. They have some from Demon Slayer. They also have these are cute, these little Animal Crossing sort of like glasses. And some more plush toys down here. Harry Potter glassware, more glassware, and they even have art prints here at the store. By local artists. That's good. They support local artists.
Yes.
That's very good of them. Other sort of fandom themed stuff like Pokemon, Avatar, The Last Airbender, Harry Potter. More Harry Potter stuff. Oh, this is nice. Little jigsaw puzzle from Demon Slayer. This is also pretty fun. They have Twitch themed sweatshirts down here. Huh. And then some more plush toys. Yeah, and they also have shirts saying the Pop Culture Soda Shop on them, their own merchandise. And an actual arcade machine, arcade cabinet as they're called. It says it has Asteroids, Major Havoc, Centipede, Crystal Castles. A lot of games that I have played before. Oh yeah, gaming stations. They have this is the very first PlayStation. Look how small it is, man. Look at it next to my hand. It's tiny. This is a Sega Genesis they have here as you can play as well. A Super Nintendo. Then an actual classic Nintendo Entertainment System. They also have an actual lounge where you can play Xbox titles. Here in front of the big TV. Seems like somebody's playing a Metroid at the moment. Different handbooks right here from Minecraft. Wow, that's one of my favorite games here. They also have I love these. They're called keychains. They're called like hotel keychains. You know how they used to have hotel how back in the day, right? Oh, these are pretty. These are coasters, resin coasters. This is like a Lisa Frank themed one, but they also have ones of Pokemon cards.
Oh wow, yes.
That's pretty, yeah.
How much are they?
Some more video game titles. These are for the original Xbox, PlayStation 2. Yes, Xbox, like the original Xbox, and then just PlayStation titles. But this is the actual soda shop. Look at it; it looks so vintage.
Yeah.
I love that. And look at all of this like classic toys up on the shelves there. Woody, Jesse, Turbo Man. It seems that they're also having a little bakery right here as well. Because something smelled good as soon as we walked in. It was those cookies that were baking.
Go, enjoy.
Thank you. Well, I just got my custom themed drink here at the Pop Culture Soda Shop, themed to Bloodborne, one of my favorite video games of all time. It's very pearly. It's like a soda with like pearl powder in it. It's very beautiful. Has red sprinkles as well to kind of fit the overall aesthetic of the game. Very excited to try it. Thank you so much.